In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Simple Earn to earn passive crypto income, a beginner's guide for 2025. If you're new to crypto or looking for a convenient way to grow your digital assets, you've come to the right place. With Binance Simple Earn, you can effortlessly earn interest on your crypto holdings. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't done so already, log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the homepage. There you'll see an option labeled Earn. Tap on it to begin. Alternatively, you can also navigate through a pathway by selecting More and then Simple Earn. This feature is designed to help users like you capitalize on your cryptocurrency holdings with ease. Next, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency from a list provided by Binance. Popular choices include USDT and BNB, among others. Consider your investment strategy and risk tolerance when selecting which crypto to earn on, as these factors will influence your overall earning potential. Once you've chosen your preferred cryptocurrency, the next decision will be to select the type of term you wish to engage in, flexible or locked. With a flexible term, you have the advantage of being able to withdraw your assets anytime. This option offers greater liquidity and flexibility, allowing you to access your funds swiftly whenever you need them. On the other hand, opting for a locked term typically nets you higher rewards. However, it does come with a fixed duration, meaning your assets will be tied up for a specific period. If you're willing to commit your crypto for longer and maximize your earnings, the locked term might be the right choice for you. After deciding on the term, it's time to enter the amount of crypto you want to earn with. Be sure to review your finances to determine how much you're comfortable committing. Following this, you'll need to agree to the service agreement provided by Binance. This step confirms that you understand the terms and conditions associated with participating in Binance Simple Earn. Finally, after you've entered your desired amount and agreed to the service agreement, go ahead and confirm your decision. Once confirmed, your crypto will automatically begin earning interest. Each cycle adds more value to your holdings, helping you grow your portfolio over time without needing to babysit it constantly. And that's it. Binance Simple Earn is a straightforward tool for anyone looking to earn passive income on their crypto investments. By following these steps, you're on your way to letting your digital assets work for you. Hopefully this guide has demystified the process and empowered you to take control of your crypto earnings. Thanks for watching and happy earning.